we're back at PDX at 4 a.m. in the morning. Just checked my bags. So I'm headed to TSA. To see what I can eat. I'm on a diet, so it's a bit hard when you're in the airport. We'll be going out of gate E7, so I'm tired, which typically is not a United gate. It's usually gates E3 through E6. I guess this is different, but I might find some food first. One of the relatively older 737 MAX 9s that hasn't been fitted with the new Next interior, which I filmed out of that gate right there, actually, with the old livery. But so yeah, I wasn't originally going to do this trip report, but I have not shown you their old product, 737 MAX product, which only exists on those aircraft that still have it. And then my next flight is on United's 757. I will make a trip report of it every time I fly until they retire, and unfortunately they're retiring pretty soon. But yeah, so these are going to be separate leg segments, obviously. I don't want to make too long of a video, but it's only a short hour and a half hop down the coast to San Francisco, and then I have a connection then on a United 757-200 to Newark. So exciting day ahead.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, no worries.
takeoff from Flight Echo. Welcome to San Francisco. Our parking here is at Echo 10. We're waiting on marshals to get in position. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Thank you.
Well, she will come. I mean, she's nowhere near what you achieved in your career, and she will never achieve what you achieved so far in your career. She'll barely make it done. Are they still there? Like,
Welcome to San Francisco. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next video, the 757 video. Gotta get to the next gate now. Thank you. See you in the next one.